My dear children, today I am going to teach you class 1 math. So let's start. Open the page number 9. There is a revision work for you all to do at first. So we'll start it. As these all are the work you have already done in your UKG class. But still, let's have a look and we'll do it. So let's read out revision. Color the figures and write the numerals in the boxes. So it means that you have to color the figures and count and write the number in the boxes. So let's look. Look at the first picture. There is an umbrella. So how many umbrella is there? There is one umbrella. So as the number name ONE1 has already been written, so you have to write down only the number 1. Okay. Now come to the next one. There are 2 cats. How many cats are there? 2 cats. One cat is colored and the next cat is not colored. So first you have to put color in this cat, then you have to count. Let's count 1, 2. As the number name TWO2 has already been written, so you have to write down only the number 2. Okay. Now come to the next one. There are 3 monkeys. How many monkeys are there? 3 monkeys. Only one monkey is colored. 2 monkeys are not colored. So first you will put colors in these 2 monkeys. Then you will count. So let's count 1, 2, 3. How many monkeys are there? 3. Number name THREE3 has already been written. So you will write down only the number 3. Okay. Now come to the next one. There are telephones. So let's see now. Only one telephone is colored. Rest of the 3 telephones are not colored. So first you will put colors in these telephones. Then you will count and write the number. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. As the number name 4, it has already been written. So you will be writing only the number 4. Now come to the next one. There are flowers. Now one flower is colored. Rest of the flowers are not colored. So first you will put colors in these flowers. Okay. Then you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers are there? 5. So you will write down the number 5. Now come to the next one. There are butterflies. Now here also you can see only one butterfly is colored. Rest of the butterflies are not colored. So first you will put colors in all these butterflies. Then you will count. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many butterflies are there? 6. So you will be writing the number 6. So similarly in this way only you will be doing all these works. Okay. Just look properly. So in this way only you will be doing this work at your home. Okay. Now turn the page 10. Turn the page 10. Now let's see how to do this. Count and write. How many? Count and write how many. So here you have to count the things and you have to write the number. Okay. As it is very simple, you have already done this in your UKG class. So again, let's do it. Now let's start. Look the number 1. There are cats. Now how many cats are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cats are there? 6 cats. So you will be writing the number 6. Then you will be writing the number name 6. S-I-X 6. Okay. Now come to the next one. There are oranges. So let's count how many oranges are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many oranges are there? 7. So you will write the number 7 and the number name 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Okay. Now let's have a look at this number 3 also. There are ducks. Now let's count how many ducks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ducks are there? 8 ducks. So you will write the number 8 and the number name E-I-G-S-T 8. Okay. So this all work you will be doing in the same way. You will count and write the number and the number name. Okay. Now turn the page 11. Now this is also very simple. You all can do it. Now let's have a look. Count and encircle the number. Count and encircle the number. So here you have to count and circle the number. So at first you can see there are 2 cars. How many cars are there? 2 cars. So just look at the side, there are numbers 1, 2 and 3. So as you can see there 2 cars are there. So you will be circling the number 2. You will put circle in this number 2 because 2 cars. Now come to the next one. There are rats. How many rats are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 rats are there. So let's have a look at this number. Where is the number 3? Here. So you will circle the number 3 because 3 cats are there. Now come to the next one. There are tigers. Now let's count how many tigers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tigers are there. So you will circle the number 5. So in this way only you will do all this work. Okay. As I am giving you more work because it is very simple. You all will be doing this all in your book only. Okay. Now turn the page again to 12. Page number 12. Now this is also very easy. Only you have to do is matching. Okay. Count and match with the numbers. Count and match with the numbers. So here you have to count the things and match it according to the numbers. Now let's see number 1. There are birds. Now let's see how many birds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds are there. So where is the number 4? Here. The number 4 is here. So you will match these 4 flowers, 4 birds with this 4 number. Okay. Similarly, now come to the next one. There is an instrument. So let's count how many instruments is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7 in number. So where is the number 7? There at the top. So you will match this 7 instrument with this number 7. So similarly in this way only you will count and match with the numbers. Okay. So all this work from page 9, 10, 11 and 12. From page 9 to 12 you all will be doing this work in your book itself. Okay. So I hope you all can do it properly, and my dear children, please study properly at home. Okay. Now till this time only this much. Okay.